Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that can change your life forever. 37-year-old Sikipio Fiaki, owner of New Grills, is still coming to terms with the changes that have taken him from representing Fiji in rugby and athletics to owning one of the country's first commercial smokehouse. Lena Rees with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
His dad was involved in the tourism industry, and since then serving others became a part of Sikipio Fiaki's life journey. Attending 9 primary schools might have been a challenge, but with the passion of hospitality and food, nothing was impossible.
Passion for cooking, I can actually say this came from my mother. Because we moved around a lot. You couldn't identify yourself as this person that was like, I felt like you feel like a no man. So you tend to eat everywhere. The thing about how mom made it easier was because food that you did not like, you tend to like after. She made things happen without all the ingredients in the world. She made it simple, and it was the way I liked it.
Like most young boys, Fiaki was competitive and later had some tough personal decisions to make.
It's Form 6 in Silver Grammar. In school, I was pretty much a rugby player or a athletics person. Represented Fiji in athletics, tried out for the Fiji team. I was actually a pretty good rugby player. And then a lot of things just changed after that because of choices that I made. And for me, cooking was the second chance. Nobody will understand it, but if I did not make that decision, I wouldn't be here today.
After hitting rock bottom 6 years ago, Fiaki knew changing his perspective was the biggest hurdle to overcome in order to make his dream a reality.
I never knew a single thing about smoking. I knew a lot about cooking, cooking meat specifically. This was just another way of cooking that I found intriguing because it was something new. I met up with a few friends of mine, and they were already smoking at the time. They were the first people that actually were doing it, that I tried it, and I had a feeling that I could do something a bit better. Just because I had a very competitive side towards a lot of things. You know, you try and be better at anything or everything.
With a buzzing interest in smoking food, the father of 3 was keen to share the product of his newfound passion with people.
For me, food is all about sharing. Like, it's no use cooking something that you will enjoy yourself. Food is about enjoying it with somebody. So that's exactly how I was able to like pushing the meats out. The idea of a business was never a thought. The idea of sharing the food was the first thought. People enjoyed it. People were asking me to do orders for them. And then the rock market started.
Fiaki's love for smoked food became a venture now known as New Grills, and 5 years after his first rock market, he now owns his very own restaurant. Lena Rees, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.